Hello and welcome to my review of a 7-in-1 multi-tool fountain pen. Minus S, it's just one pen. This is something I noticed online, and I got really very interested because I've never seen anything like this before. This multi-tool comes with a function of a fountain pen. There are also versions with a ballpoint. They look slightly different. I believe they have this part longer, and the tip, this part is missing because this is some sort of tungsten, how do they call it, tungsten steel head. And the ballpoint version is missing this because this one is used as a cap for the fountain pen in this version, but the ballpoint doesn't need that, so it only ends with the ballpoint. The rest is the same. It comes in different colors. I have chosen the yellow one because it looks like something to I don't know, just I just like the color. There was also a black one and a silver one. So this multi-tool is designed for builders, architects, people who draw, who design something, and well, as a technical tool basically. So what it consists, according to the box, it comes in a box. Maybe I should start from this. It comes with in a box like this. It is not branded as of yet because, as you can see, the box doesn't have any description of who made it, only that it's made in China. And I believe in China factories make some things, and then a company comes, and they have to register a trademark, and then they can sell things from a factory. But well, as far as I know, it's not exclusive. There could be another companies coming and registering their names for the same product. I may be wrong, but I suspect this is how it works considering how many different fountain pens we can find on AliExpress under different names, the same types and different names. So it comes in a box like this, and an additional thing, I don't know how to call it in English, but it's made of something soft. There are 6 ink cartridges, and apparently I haven't used any yet because I filled the pen with my favorite hero black ink. I believe these can be either dark blue, black blue, or black inside. I may do another video when I'm done, when this ink, the ink inside is used, then I can utilize the ink cartridge from this set to see the color. So let's go back to the pen itself, the tool itself. As the box says, it consists of the stylus, which helps you navigate your phone, the clip, which is made of metal. The whole pen is made of metal, and it weighs something like 22 grams, which is not too heavy. There are fountain pens which may weigh over 50 or 60 grams, so 29 isn't that bad. There is a level with a little bubble here, and a ruler, four rulers. They are the European, or could be Australian, measurement as centimeters, American inches, and the two of these are scaled. It's 1 to 20 and the other is 1 to 50. So this is pretty much for designers and architects. Then we have this. You should unscrew to see there is a screwdriver, actually two screwdrivers. One is the, I don't know how to call it in English, it's like a cross one for screws with a cross, and the other, that's how you take it off. The other is flat, so you can use them in both ways, and there is a little rubber ring between them. This ring is set on a little cut, so this allows this screwdriver to fit in tightly, very tightly inside. But also when you want to use this screwdriver on the very screws, it really allows this screwdriver to stay in the body of this tool. It doesn't move on sides. It's really good. I use that on my laptop to unscrew, to use it. I use that on screws in my laptop, and it works. I was surprised. It works. This screwdriver works really well. And now to the major part, which is the fountain pen, which is covered with this cap, including, they call it a tungsten steel head, and they say it can be used as emergency rescue, glass breaker, to crack, smash, or break a window, for to escape from a car or truck. So I don't know how it works honestly, because I tried to scratch glass and even my the minerals from my collection, like this smoky quartz, and honestly this doesn't do anything. I don't know if this is the right thing to use it, or maybe, well, maybe it has to be put to glass and knocked with something to create a hole. I have no idea. I have never been in an emergency state in a car or truck. So, and here's the fountain pen. The nib size is F, which is 0.5, and the brand is Tonila. I will type it in the video description. And it looks like a regular fountain pen nib. There's nothing surprising about this. To open, it can work a bit longer to open the pen. There is the ink cartridge here. It's a regular ink cartridge, all plastic. The whole size, this is a standard old school, the most popular size, which is 2.6. So you can use any traditional standard ink cartridges with this pen, like Pelican for instance, and well, this works also with the ink converter. It works really well. The ink cartridge would take probably, how much does it go inside? I don't know. The length is like this, so probably if we put this inside, it could take like a half of the pen, because next we have the level. So this all is well measured and fits in. And now I'm gonna give you a sample writing. This is a regular print paper, and let me zoom so you can see it in detail. So this is a no name as of yet 7 in 1 multi-tool yellow body, and it includes stylus, fountain pen, that's F nib, Tonila, that's the name here. I'm not sure if I can show you this one because I would have to zoom in. And then it has also a level, ruler, tungsten, metals, actually steel, that's what they say, steel head, and 2 screwdrivers. I hope I haven't forgotten about anything. We can add the ink cartridge. Six ink cartridges and the ink converter. Now when it comes to smudging, this is the Hero ink, Hero black ink. The smudging part, the ink flow is really good. I can't really say if there's any, like you can tell there are no breaks. The lines are flowing really nicely, so this is the best part. Then reverse writing, or maybe not yet. We're gonna do the left, right, up and down, right, left, down, up. No problems at all. Now the reverse writing. Reverse writing is like, don't do it because it just it's not working really. It's not suited for reverse writing. I have fountain pens which has no problem with this option, but not this one. And a pattern like this, very nice. Is it scratchy? A little bit, but this is not, probably, I don't know about Tonila. Is this are they major or not when it comes to nape producers? But I think it's enough for that kind of pen. I'm kind of surprised actually that this pen writes so nicely, because basically its major function probably is just that from here to here. So I got it in Poland. It cost me something like $6, but you can find the two versions of this tool. One with the fountain pen like I have is mostly found on Amazon, and the one with ballpoint is found on AliExpress. It doesn't have to be a rule, but that's my this is what I noticed online. The size of this pen, this multi-tool, is something like 17 centimeters long. It's 17 and 3.3. The thickness, it's wide as 11 millimeters wide, and the weight, as I said, the weight is 29 grams. So I believe I said everything what I wanted about this pen. You can get it to have some fun with, and thank you for watching and for subscribing too.